How to play and mine in Hamster Kombat. Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to show you how we can play and mine in Hamster Kombat. So let's just get started with the video, but before that don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more gaming tricks. First of all, head over and open up the Hamster Kombat and pick up your hamster and customize it however you like. In the game, you're gonna use of your movement and joystick to move, and to attack, press the action button. To mine, you need to find mining spots on the map and walk up to them and press the mine button when it appears, and you will collect resources like ores or gems to upgrade your gear. And then go to a crafting station with resources you've mined. Use them to upgrade your weapons and armor. And that is it. Mine, upgrade, and fight to become the strongest hamster, and you should be able to mine and upgrade. And that is how you play and mine in Hamster Kombat. So therefore, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you.